Hey guys, so today I have a truly wireless pair of Bluetooth earphones for you guys. This is by ENACFIRE, a pretty popular brand currently on Amazon. And previously I had done an unboxing and review video of its predecessor. There's this one right here. So I'm looking forward to see if this one has improved upon significantly on its predecessor. So let's go ahead and just take a look around the box first. This is just an unboxing video for now. Review video will be coming later in a separate video, so make sure to subscribe to my channel to see that. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and take this thing out of the box. Okay, so let's start out with the boring stuff. This is all the extra accessories that it comes with, including extra ear tips. Looks like there's quite a few different size pairs. It looks like 5 different pairs right there. This is the charging cable. It is still micro USB, so it still hasn't made the leap to USB Type-C, which I would have liked to have seen at this point now in 2019. Here is the instructions manual. Comes in 2 different languages, its native language, Japanese, and also in English. And then here, I believe, is just a warranty card right there. Feedback card, all that. Looks like they have the earbud showcase right up front. And funny enough, when I took them right out of the box, the actual ear tips were stuck right there. So I think they could have done a little bit better job in packaging these, but they're not too bad to take them out just like that. Standard size, probably the medium. Let's also take a look at its charging case, which is actually ginormous. Not too sure what possessed them to make a huge one, but it looks like they're trying to advertise it as also a mini power bank. This is just USB Type A. It looks like it can output at 1 amp, which I don't think that's really necessary. If it were me, I would still carry my regular bigger size capacity power bank, and I would prefer a smaller charging case for my earbuds. But taking a look at it inside, you can see the charging connectors right there, and you can easily line them up. In this case, it needs to fit the correct ear, left or right, whereas before you could just stick in at any place. You can see the lights, battery indicator right there, and it looks like it has a nice full charge. There's the also input charging port on the back if you missed it earlier. Full branding up here in the front. Just as a quick comparison, since this is not a full review video because I need to test the sound quality and connectivity and all that in later video, but here is a competitor. This is an Anker Soundcore, and you can see that the size is significantly smaller. And then I also have the predecessor here. We can see this is the previous size charging case. It's significantly smaller than this one. Also lighter. I think the main problem I had with the old one though, even though sound quality was decent, you know, for the money, it had great isolation, it was really convenient to pair and everything, but that the charging case itself didn't hold a charge for very long. It just didn't have a good standby time. I'm hoping that this fixes that. And the same goes for actually the Anker Soundcore. This one also has kind of problem holding standby charge. So I'm looking to see if this one is actually worth the cost at around $50 on Amazon. This is again a truly wireless pair of earbuds plus a power bank built into the charging case for what it's worth. And not to mention, of course, all of these were kind of kickstarted with the onslaught of the AirPods by Apple. I do also have these, been loving these, but I still actively use the previous version of the ENACFIRE just simply because they have much better noise isolations. Like when I'm working out at the gym, I don't want to be hearing everybody else's music, the gym's music and all that, so I slip these in. But when acquired a location, the AirPods really do it for me, just because it's much more convenient to have around. It holds its charge much better, and I have iOS devices that can take advantage of the full features of an AirPod. Of course, if you don't really need this and you don't want to shell out $160 for a pair of AirPods, these are really great alternatives to look into, so that's why I'm going to be testing this out thoroughly so you guys can see if this is worth your hard-earned cash. So that would do it for this unboxing video. Make sure to subscribe again to see the review video when it comes out, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.